what's up guys, and welcome back to the vlog. I am under the E90 right now, and we are changing the water pump so that way we can get going on this video, because right now this car does not move. Yeah, it's nighttime. Like I said, any of y'all familiar with the water pump knows that it's not a fast job. Okay, got the water pump installed. So now I'm gonna go see what the boys are doing down the road. So even though this car is open diff, I'm gonna whip it around a little bit and see how she does. Sorry for the lighting, but just pulled up and you can't even see. Y'all make sure to subscribe because I don't have a light on this camera. And look at the terrible lighting. Pseudo, that's Pseudo, but there's somebody behind him. The other man of the hour is pulled up. What's up? What's up?
Oh, still there? Yeah, bro. He's just parked chilling. We know. Oh, no. I came here to slide. I ain't trying to slide. He's right there like that. No,
yeah.
We leaving. Where we gonna go?
Alright, that cop's not leaving, so we're gonna go ahead and go to our other spot. Alright, since the Beamer sucks, we're gonna go ahead and ride in the clapped out 240. Like how you get geared up.
I saw AJ put on that helmet, that track helmet one time.
That was cool.
And I was like, oh, it's like that.
Well, that slick sucked. Well, the E90 sucks at sliding. I mean, it is a 328i, it is open diff. I was expecting it to suck. But now we know what we're working with, and we can build it from here. Pseudo is my man. He can slide wherever he needs to with that 240. But anyways, I'm heading home for the night, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Whoa. It's okay. What do you need? What's up, kid? Is it because it's a new day, huh? Yeah, we're making a video today.
Yay!
Alright, what a beautiful next day. What? God, the garage is dirty. You know, when you're doing 3 different engine swaps, that kind of happens. Check it out. I got 3 350Zs here now. This guy's also getting his engine replaced. That's not in this video. That'll probably be in a week or 2. I'm getting ready to release a video on that, so make sure you like and subscribe because that video is coming actually really soon. As you saw last night, the BMW was doing alright, but I forgot to turn the traction control off. That you have to hold it. You can't just push it. I'm sorry, I'm new to the whole Beamer game. I didn't actually have the traction control off. That's why it was just doing those circles. We'll try it again in a little bit. I'm getting really tired of having just the one 18-inch wheel. So I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and grab just an extra set of rims right now. I do have a little surprise for you guys that I am gonna go pick up right now. I think you guys are gonna like it. Now that is a rear view mirror sight, I'll tell you that. Woohoo! I was actually really surprised they both fit in there. Let's go throw these bad boys on. this is such a good place to take pictures. I love this place right here. I am really liking this car. I mean, just as an update, and this is the first video since I actually showed you guys I got the car. Got 18s in the front, 17s in the rear, full drift missile. Let me know in the comments, should I weld the diff and throw in a hydro brake or what? What do you guys think? Oh, who is that? Miss Carla has finally made an appearance in the video, even though we've seen her car for the last God knows however long this video has been. How you been doing, sweetheart?
It's so hot. It's like 100 degrees.
It is. Ooh, that's a good shot. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that. Well, if y'all not already following me on Instagram where you would have seen this picture, go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna drop it right here and don't miss any content as it's being made. Now, I did just get word that my boys want to go back out again like we did last night, but in the daytime, same spot. Me and the family, we're gonna grab some food real quick and then we're gonna head to that spot. We are back at the spot from yesterday. Okay, I guess while I'm in the middle of, okay. Back at the spot from last night, which you couldn't see a damn thing, so we came back during the day so y'all can see it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna give it a shot swinging it again now that I've learned how to turn the traction control off. So now we'll see what the Beamer can do. Was that cool?
Yeah.
Will you guys want me to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
What was that?
I shredded my tire.
You just shredded your tire?
Now that's fun. I knew this thing could get sideways. I knew it. So that was the perfect way for me to break in this new car, whipped it sideways until the tire popped. Can you record the tire slapping? Okay, I just got the car parked over here, and yeah, it sent the hell out of that. One is just a cent, so I forgot to bring anything for that. So let's talk to Miss Carla. How'd you like that?
That was cool. Like,
Oh! Okay, so the tire's done for, so I gotta go home and get the spare and all that stuff. So Miss Carla's escorting me back home.
hello. Did I get a tip for this or like?
I mean, yeah.
Alright.
And I got it.
And settle down, it's not what y'all think it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog because some of my friends went to a different place and I wanted to go home and go to sleep. So, I hope y'all had fun today. I know I did. Burned some tires, washed some cars, hanging out with the beautiful Carla Cray. And I will see y'all on the next episode of Drip My Whip. Peace.